This is day 3 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. I made a new YouTube channel called LeetCode Daily. It uses the same video editor I built for this series. Getting the editor to work for both channel formats caused a bunch of bugs and new challenges that I had to spend the whole day fixing. Because of that, this video is coming out a lot later, and the first LeetCode Daily video should be out sometime after this one is posted. I also did some bug fixing for my Python library, Talk to LLM. Just a few little tweaks to make it run smoother. And I fixed some bugs in my Chrome extension, Gemini Copy Button Mover. I'm just waiting for Google to review and approve the update. It should be live soon. Here's a Python script I wrote to copy all files from one folder to another. It checks if the source folder exists and creates the destination folder if it doesn't. Then, it loops through each item in the source folder. If the item is a file, it copies it to the destination folder, preserving metadata with copy to. It also handles potential errors and prints messages to let you know what's happening. The if name equals main part at the end just means the copy_files function is called with images as the source and processing as the destination when you run the script. Okay, spoiler alert for LeetCode 2579, count total number of colored cells. Basically, you have this infinitely large grid and you color one cell blue. Every minute, any uncolored cell touching a blue cell also turns blue. The problem asks how many blue cells there are after n minutes. Here's my first solution. I looped from 1 up to n. In the loop I incremented the result by 1 plus 2 times I1 times 2. Then outside the loop I added on 1 plus 2 times n1. This solution is O(n) because the runtime is directly proportional to n. The bigger the value of n, the longer it runs. But then I found a more optimal solution. It turns out the number of colored cells is always 2n(n)(1 plus 1. This formula gives you the answer directly. This is an O(1) solution, since the calculation takes the same amount of time, no matter how big n is. That's all for today. Like, subscribe, and comment below with any ideas you have for this series. And if you want to help me continue making these videos, you can donate at buymeaboba.com. The link is in the description.